Hello! First stop, Mount Camisong. Pagdating namin ng Baguio, nagpunta agad kami ng Mount Itogon Benguet to get there in Mount Camisong. Super ganda ng place, relaxing yung vibe. Sometimes, all you need is a peaceful place like Mount Camisong. Fresh air, calm surroundings, and nature beauty. Mount Camisong is the perfect spot to unwind and recharge. So, ayun na nga. You can enjoy Alapaap Glass Walkway, scenic view deck, peaceful nature trails, and meron pang mga malalaking chessboard sa baba. So, meron pala siyang entrance na 500 pesos each to experience a place like this. May mga cafe pala sila sa loob to eat our pika-pika pag napapagod na tayo maglakad. Bago tayo pumasok ng Mount Camisong, may ipapanood pala sila sa atin ng mga video about sa place.
First stop, the Alapaap Glass View Deck. But go further and you'll see wonderful views at Maracuyo and the Gitag, both of which house our makers and merchants market. Also in the Gitag is Binhi, our sustainability wall where you can learn more about our efforts in making Mount Camisong eco-friendly. Choose from our 3 dining options in the park. Try Alapaap Dining, located right under the glass view deck, Maracuyo Cafe, located below the Maracuyo view deck, and Muni Muni Food Hall, 1 level lower than Maracuyo Cafe. But wait, you haven't seen all of Mount Camisong just yet. A hidden gem awaits beyond.
So, ayan na nga yung Alapaap and walk lang tayo ng konti. Makikita na natin yung glass walkway dyan. Walk lang tayo ng konti, then, tada! Ganda ng view. Sobrang ma-appreciate mo yan pag nandyan ka. And ayun yung glass walkway. Medyo madumi na siya, pero carry naman. Kita naman yung ilalim. I just say, sulit yung biyahe. Medyo malayo lang siya from city ng Baguio. Pero kung ganito naman ka-relax yung lugar, diba? And super chilling vibe, why not? Hindi ka mapapagod maglakad-lakad dyan kasi napaka-relax yung lugar at saka malamig. Hi guys, andito kami sa Mount Camisong and lakad-lakad lang, nature. Ito yung nature na hindi nakakapagod. Tapos ang daming pine trees. O, diba? One, two, three, cheers! Hey! And the view! So guys, ito ang CR nila dito, kabog. Modern. Yes, maganda. At Diba? Night market sa Baguio, ano? Tara. Yan. Guys, alito pa rin kami sa Baguio. Coach, hi ka, coach. Fusion Alley ng Baguio. Gusto ko nila. Hindi pa kasi sila open. Pero ito yung bibilin ko later. Diyan. Eto, diba? Nakikita nyo ba yan? Madaming tanghulo. Baguio with shorts.